Welcome to the neighbourhood of Seminyak. We're here today at Hotel Indigo Bali, Seminyak Beach. This property is huge. It's got villas, it's got suites, it's got a spa, amazing pools. It even has a beach club right on Seminyak Beach. We're going to take you for a walk through today and check out everything this property has to offer. Hi, good morning. Good morning. We're going to introduce you to Andreas, who is the General Manager here at the hotel, to answer some of the questions you've sent through to us and learn a little bit more about this property. Thanks for joining us today, Andreas, and answering a few of our questions.
Pleasure is mine, Carly. Thanks for being here.
So, first one for you, is what makes Hotel Indigo stand out as a lifestyle brand from, other places?
Well, Hotel Indigo was born as a lifestyle boutique hotel, and we really want to break away from all these standards and scripts from the hospitality and rather be more a destination for people enjoying luxury lifestyle and having a lot of fun.
Okay, so everything all in one here.
All in one-stop shop.
Good. And who's most suited to a stay here? Like, what kind of holiday can you expect to take here?
Well, we obviously welcome everyone, but we also especially welcome those explorers, depending on their occasion, whether it's business or it's leisure, just rewinding by the pools, having a blast outdoor and doing activities, or just eating and drinking.
So everyone can come and have a stay here. We've got honeymooners, families, friends.
Absolutely, yeah. We have people being from Indonesia, people now flying many hours to come back to Bali, everyone.
Excellent. And what for you stands out as, what's something that is a highlight of a stay at this property?
Where do we start? Well, I think location is really key in this hotel. It's very close to everything. We have beautiful hotel rooms, which we're happy to show you later. The hotel rooms are really more about feeling home. Great layouts and design elements inspired by Balinese culture. We have a great outdoor activity calendar throughout the day and the week. 2 pools, which are keeping the people busy, and our restaurants and bars, whether it's the restaurant right by the beachfront, where you can zip and have your sunset cocktail, or your freshly roasted coffee in the coffee shop.
So it's a destination within a destination.
That's right, yeah. Very
nice. And lastly, what can everyone expect coming up from Hotel Indigo moving forward into this new era of tourism in Bali?
Well, as soon as the Bali digests all this incredible demand, we're looking to work a lot more with local partners together to really amplify our spa offerings again, having the neighborhood involved in terms of activities, doing a lot more for our cocktail culture, and bringing back the beat, what we were living on in 2019 before the pandemic.
I love that, bringing back the Bali beat. Well, we're really excited to see everything that you guys have planned coming up, and we're really excited to explore the property today. So thank you for welcoming me.
Thank you for being here, and see you later.
See you after. Take a little peek at one of the private villas here in the resort. We're looking at a 1-bedroom villa, but they also come in 2 bedrooms if you need a little extra space. Now the villas have their very own private pools and private jacuzzis. And if you think the private pool is impressive, wait till you see inside. These villas are really spacious and they're equipped with all the modern details. There is Apple TVs in every villa, and just check out the attention to detail in all of the decorations in here. The best part is the bathroom is the grandest of it all. Next, we're going to show you through one of the suites, which is where we are right now. The suites are so spacious. They're super large. There's a big balcony outside. Some of them even have an ocean view. Come and take a look through the suite with me. We're here in makase, which is one of the dining options available here at Hotel Indigo. Now they have a lot of Indonesian options, lots of Western options, and it's just one of the places that you can choose to dine from when you stay here or when you come to visit the resort. We're going to take a look through Sava Spa, which is the spa located within the resort here at Hotel Indigo. Now, if you want the ultimate holiday indulgence, this is where you need to come. The spa here has an entire range of treatments. The signature treatment is a massage where they use their own special blend of Sava oil. They even have a special menu just for the children. We're going to take you for a look at just how impressive this spa is. We're going to take a look at Pottery, which is the F&B outlet in the resort that takes its coffee very seriously. What have we got happening over here?
Hi! So we're actually doing the roasting in here. We actually have the green coffee and then we're roasting it in-house. So we have the single origin also for the coffee. So we actually have 4 types of different single origin that we have here. We have one from Toraja, Aceh Gayo. This is actually the 2 of the Indonesians, and then this one actually from Bali.
We're here at the main pool area of the resort. Now this pool is spread over 2 levels. It has a child swimming area and it even has the cave bar. Now the cave bar is there for all your cocktails, coconuts, drinks and snacks for you to be consumed while you're spending your time laying by the pool. So if you want to take a dip in a little bit of a quieter, secluded place other than the main pool, you're going to want to find where the secret pool is within the resort. Now, if the choice of 2 pools isn't enough for you during your stay, you can also head down to the beach side of the resort where you'll find Indigo's very own beach club called Sugarsand. Sugarsand is open to everyone, has a beach view, pool, and has an amazing menu with all the drinks, and it's the perfect spot to come and catch a Seminyak sunset. We hope you've enjoyed taking a walk through Hotel Indigo with us right here on Seminyak Beach. Now the resort is celebrating its 5th anniversary this June and you are the one who get all of the gifts. So during June there's going to be lots of room promotions, spa promotions, promotions at all of their F&B outlets, and on June 16 they're celebrating with 5 hours of 50% off everything here at Sugarsand. Thank you. Am I going to see you here? Cheers.